Welcome to Philosophy in Review. Today's summary will cover the philosophy of Plato. Plato was a Greek philosopher who lived from 428 to 348 BC. He is considered to be one of the most important philosophers of the Western tradition, and his ideas have had a profound influence on subsequent thinkers. Plato's philosophy is characterized by its emphasis on the importance of reason, knowledge, and the soul. He believed that the goal of life is to achieve knowledge of the good, which is the highest form of reality. He also believed that the soul is immortal, and that it will be reincarnated after death. Plato's most famous work is The Republic, in which he discusses his ideas about politics, ethics, and education. He argued that the ideal state is one ruled by philosophers, who are the only people who are capable of understanding the good. He also argued that education is essential for the development of the soul, and that it should be based on the study of mathematics, philosophy, and music. Plato believed that the goal of life is to achieve knowledge of the good because he believed that the good is the highest form of reality. He also believed that knowledge of the good is essential for happiness and for living a good life. Plato believed that the soul is immortal because he believed that the soul is not a material thing, but rather a form. He also believed that the soul is immortal because he believed that it is the source of our thoughts and our actions. Plato believed that education is essential for the development of the soul because he believed that the soul is capable of learning and growing, thus allowing us to live a good life. Plato believed that the ideal state is one ruled by philosopher kings because he believed that philosophers are the only people who are capable of understanding the good. He also believed that these philosophers ruling as kings are the only people who are capable of ruling in a just and fair way. Here are 4 key takeaways from Plato's philosophy. 1. The goal of life is to achieve knowledge of the good. 2. The soul is immortal. 3. Education is essential for the development of the soul. 4. The ideal state is one ruled by philosopher kings. Thanks for watching. Please like this video to let us know if you enjoyed it. Also, feel free to comment with any suggestions or ideas.